First, apply your color with a mop blender brush. This is just a lime green, and at this point you're just applying the color. You don't have to worry about brush strokes or making it look pretty. This is a white. I'm adding white so that things will be a little lighter, and then blending the lime green and the white together. Going and get different directions, circles. Now this is a phthalo blue, and it's light whenever it goes into that white section, and then at the top that phthalo blue is that darker color. But here, just going in circles, different directions, just getting the color blended together and moving the pigment around. Doesn't have to be pretty. There's a lot of the white on that brush that's going to be carried throughout the painting. That's fine. Now I've switched to a wash brush. This wash brush has moist bristles. So did the blender brush that we applied the paint with. Not too wet, not too dry, and I'm just going over the entire painting. Lightly, different directions. And then that phthalo blue transitions nicely into that lime green. Once we get to this point, get a clean, dry bristled wash brush with no water. Lightly go over the entire painting one more time, very gently, and this will erase all the brush strokes. So this is the key, this is the trick. All these materials and colors will be in the description with links to Amazon. So thanks for watching, good luck on yours.